Leadership is an essential skill that can make or break an organization's success. It comes in many forms, each with its own approach and effect on team dynamics. 10 significant types of leadership style can be observed in organizations around the world. First, the autocratic leader. The autocratic leadership style or authoritarian leadership stands stands out for its authority and total control. This leader makes most decisions independently and expects employees to follow orders without interfering too much. While such authoritarian leaders can be influential in crisis, particularly when decisions must be made quickly, they can also undermine employees' morale and limit creativity. Autocratic leaders are better suited to well-defined tasks and clear directives. Next, leader. The democratic leader. Democratic leaders seek the opinion of their team members. They value the development of skill and the contribution of employees, and involve them in decision making. They encourage communication, initiative taking, collaboration, and inclusiveness. Democratic leaders create a working environment in which each individual feels heard and respected. Such leaders demonstrate a strong willingness to work hand in hand with employees to achieve common goals. The democratic leadership style, also known as participative or collaborative leadership style, creates a sense of belong among employees, which leads to higher motivation, engagement, and job satisfaction. Next, the laissez-faire leader. Laissez-faire leadership or delegative leadership adopt a peculiar stance. As the name suggests, they prefer to intervene as little as possible, leaving their team members free to make decisions and solve problems independently without giving them too much guidance. Laissez-faire leaders work well with highly motivated, experienced employees who thrive in a autonomous more autonomous environment. However, it can lead to a lack of direction and accountability if not correctly managed. The transactional leader. Transactional leaders set clear expectations for their employees. They then use reward and punishment based on their performance. Transactional leadership is effective for short-term objective in structured environment, but can harm long-term development and is transactional leadership is effective for short-term objective in structured environment, but can harm long-term development and is unsuitable for creative autonomous teams. Next, the servant leader. Servant leaders put the needs of their team members first. Their primary objective is to support, empower, and give them the means to be fully autonomous to facilitate their professional and personal development. The servant leadership style values trust, loyalty, and teamwork. It leads to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Next, the bu- bur- bureaucratic leader. Bur- Bureaucratic leaders strictly follow rules, policies, and procedure to maintain stability consistent within the company. The bureaucratic leadership style is the best suited to organizations that value predictability and compliance, such as government agency or large organization with complex hierarchy. On the other hand, focusing so much on compliance with standard and procedure can hinder creative and adaptability. Next, the coaching leader. The coaching leadership style focus on the individual and collective development of their employees, adopting an approach centered on growth and continuous learning. Coaching leaders can inspire, motivate, and guide employees toward achieving their goals. They don't just give direction, but actively encourage reflection, empowerment, and decision making within their teams. They foster an environment where workers are encouraged to explore their skill, learn from their mistakes, and grow professional. Overall, the coaching leadership approach focuses on team progression, promoting autonomy and individual growth. Next, the pacing leader. Pacing leadership is characterized by the leader's ability to inspire and influence others by being a role model, embodying the value and behavior expected within the organization. What sets them apart is their exemplarity. They present the company standard and set an example through their conduct and commitment. These leaders are often models of integrity, ethics, and dedication, earning the respect and admiration of their colleagues. Next, the transformational leader. Transformational leaders or visionary leaders inspire and motivate employees with a compliant vision of the future. They encourage innovation, continuous learning, and personal growth. They lead by example, in inspiring others to go the extra mile to achieve their goals. Transformational leadership is highly effective in stimulating innovation and creativity and in situations of change requiring a certain degree of flexibility. And next, the charismatic leader. The charismatic leader. Charismatic leader shine through their personality and charm, inspiring and influencing those around them. As exceptionally give in communication and at is in interpersonal relation. They excel in the art of uniting different teams around a goal, a shared future. While this leadership style can generate enthusiasm and commitment, it can also prove risky if the leader's vision doesn't work.